Hi everyone and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company, and it's night time, it's evening time. I'm just after my shower. Apologies for the extraction fan that's on and the bad lighting, but we're doing it as is. This is what I would do when I'm coming out of a shower in the evening time. I'm just after washing my beard, and the important thing to remember there is I only wash my beard once a day. So for example, if I wash my beard in the evening time, in the morning time, then I'll just wake up and I'll wash it with water, no product whatsoever. And also when I do step out of the shower, whether it's morning or evening time, I do give my beard a blast of cold water just before I get out of the shower, just to close those pores before I put any product on it. So we're out of the shower, my beard is washed with the beard soap. I really get in there just like the morning routine, really washed all the kind of, dry skin and kind of, all the kind of pollutants of the day out of my beard, so it's nice and fresh now. So the first thing I do next is to put on some beard oil. So I have my beard oil here. I'm going to get a few drops. You've seen me doing this a million times. And I'm going to move from ears to chin. So beard oil goes on first. What I'm doing here is just moisturizing the skin underneath the beard, especially after washing it. The washing does get rid of some of the moisture, but it also, the main thing the washing does is clean it up and make sure it's kind of feeling and looking good. So that's an important stage. So now we're just going to replace the moisture that we kind of possibly lost during the day, or also through the washing process, depending on what you use, whether that's beard soap or, I'm hoping you're not using shampoo and conditioner, but lots of you guys still are. So this will just replace the moisture that they can take out. So beard oil on, really get in under the skin. What's left, rub from ears to chin. And I of course put the rest on my baldy head. And that makes sure that's moisturized as well. So ideally, you put on your beard oil. Of course, you comb it through. Almost forgot that step. Comb it through, and then ideally you're going to wait for about probably 20 minutes. What I would do, I put on my beard oil, then I go off, I get dressed, I come down, have a cup of tea just before I go to bed, and then maybe around 15 minutes before I go to bed, then I put on the beard butter. So I'll show you it all in one go in this video. So beard oil first, well, washing your beard first, beard oil second, and then number 3 is the beard butter. So now we're going to put on the beard butter. The reason I wait about 20 minutes between oil and butter is because you don't want that oil to dilute this kind of butter. So with the butter, there's, oh my god, I can't get the thing open. Come on, 2 seconds. I should have prepped for this a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so the reason I space things out is that the oil can dilute the butter. So the butter is made up of shea butter and coconut oil and argan oil as well, and jojoba oil. So we've shea butter, coconut oil, and jojoba oil in the beard butter. So if you put more oil on top of those ingredients, it just dilutes it down a little bit, and we don't want that. We're going to get the most softening effects from the butters in this. So that's why I spaced out a little bit. So oil first, then we're going to go beard butter. So that's a nice little bit there. So grab between the fingers, dilute it. It goes on kind of almost liquidy. And now here, I do get into skin a little bit, but I'm mostly aiming for the hair. So really get in there and I pull out and I really coat all those hairs with the butter. And the butter is fantastic for just softening up that beard. You wake up in the morning, your beard is really manageable and really, really soft as well, because you're doing the things that your beard loves and your beard needs to have it nice and healthy. So I really get in there. I'm not shy about putting on a lot of butter, because again, the ideal thing is not to go to bed straight away after putting on the butter, because you'll plant it straight into your pillow. So let it kind of dry out a little bit, maybe 20 minutes before you go to bed. That's perfect. Get rid of every last bit. Again, whatever's left goes on the head, or it can go in the arms, and then you can get your comb and comb it out. I go up from underneath always. That just gives it a nice full shape, I feel. And you can just go a little bit of swooping as well on the side. Use your hand as well to shape a little bit. And that is how it looks. Just out of habit, I tweaked the moustache. Obviously, it doesn't matter because I'll be smashing my head against that pillow very, very soon. But that's what the evening beard routine is. Number 1, wash the beard but make sure you put some cold water on it to close those pores before you go to the next stage, which is the beard oil. Put on the beard oil first, aim for the skin, then wait for 20 minutes, and then put on the beard butter around 15-20 minutes before you go to sleep. And remember, I only wash my beard once a day. Today is evening time, so I'm going to wash my beard, and tomorrow morning I'll only wash my beard with water, and then go into my morning routine with my oil and my balm. So that's the evening beard routine. That's what I do every night, and it really keeps my beard nice and soft and healthy as well. So hope those tips help. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.